Everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to take a Hobby Lobby clearance sign and turn it into a super cute Easter sign. So I grabbed this in the clearance section. I think it was like $2.50 or something like that, or even less, maybe $1.99. I couldn't really read the tag there. And then I grabbed a piece of scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, and then this Easter Bunny ear pick, and this was $5.99, and then it was 40% off, and some green paint, some Mod Podge, and then I ended up using an off-white paint. I just grabbed a paint that matched the color of the rose or flower that was on the pick. So the first thing I did was take my scrapbook paper and put it in the center where that whole circle was, and I just ran my finger around so I could get the size. And the pink part on the sign is like raised, so this circle part is like kind of dips down, so it was really easy to get the paper in there and just get the size by just running my fingers through. Then I just cut my scrapbook paper to fit. Made sure that it fit, and it seemed to have a really nice fit. I trimmed off whatever, wasn't perfect. Next, I'm going to take the green paint, and this took quite a few coats because the pink was really prevalent, but I painted just the pink and white area there on the edges. So just this part all the way around. And then I did the edge of the inside of the circle because, like I said, it's raised a little, so the edge of that was pink as well. So I painted all of that. I did not paint the frame. I wanted it to stay white. And this took, I would say, I think I did 3 coats altogether. And it didn't take long. There's not much space. And I just used regular acrylic paint. I'm sure you could get better coverage with chalk paint. I just couldn't find a color chalk paint that I liked that matched with the bunny ear pick that I chose. So once I had all the coats of paint on, I'm going to use my Mod Podge in the center and Mod Podge the paper on. And I used a generous amount. I just placed my scrapbook paper in and then smoothed it all out with my hands. So next I cut it's like a metal stake that was on this. I cut that off with a pair of cutters so that we would have just the bunny ears and the florals. And then I hot glued it right to the center of the circle and pressed it down and held it for a second to make sure that it was going to stick. And isn't that so cute? It's like this sign was made for this. Next, I decided that I thought the edges looked too plain, so I grabbed an off-white paint that matched the floral on the bunny pick, and I just put dots all around the entire outside of on top of the green. And it actually pulls like everything together, and it looks amazing, and I love the way this turned out. It was super easy and fun. I love remaking signs out of clearance signs, so this was a perfect example of that. I hope this inspires you to make one or something similar. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.